Automation tools are the cheat code for internet right now. Who do we want to do things manually while bots can do things for us? I personally use make.com. The plot twist here is it cannot be installed on a local system or it cannot be self-hosted. As an open source enthusiast and a Linux lover who wish to try wild automation, I had to try n8n. This video is for Linux lovers, open source enthusiasts, as well as self-host nerds. And I'm installing n8n on Mint Linux. The same steps can be followed on Ubuntu or any Debian-based distro that supports Bash. There are two methods to install n8n on Linux. One is conventional npm method and another one is Docker method. The quick difference is npm install n8n directly on your system. There is more manual setup, more dependency drama, but the Docker run n8n inside a container that is clean, isolated, zero mess, easy upgrades. I am choosing Docker because it is safer, cleaner, and production friendly. So when it comes to production friendly, Docker is safer. So that's all right. So when it comes to command, sudo means run this as admin on Linux. So who is you are important here. Apt update, just refresh App Store for your system. This step is super common and almost always required before installing anything on Linux. This upgrades already installed packages. Think it like updating your phone apps so nothing breaks later. It's optional but highly recommended. Now installing Docker. We need Docker, the container that's going to hold n8n. This downloads Docker from the official Linux repository. Let's cook it. Start enable. This starts Docker right now. And this makes sure Docker auto starts when your system boots. We love consistency. Now sanity check. If you see a version number, Docker is alive and thriving. We are creating a folder to store n8n's data, workflows, credentials, and everything important. Now Linux permission boss fight. These commands give n8n full access to its own data folder. If you skip this, Linux will absolutely humble you later. This monster command downloads n8n and runs it. Port 5678 is the web UI. This folder mapping makes sure your data service restarts. Moment of truth. http:// localhost :5678 and boom, n8n is live now. This version runs n8n silently in the background. Restart unless stopped means it auto starts on a reboot. So set it and forget it energy. This stops n8n safely. Typing Docker starts n8n and this brings it back. No reinstall, no drama. And that's it. You have just self-hosted your own automation engine on your computer. If you are in no-code, open source, or building your own AI workflows, welcome to the Elite Club. I will be dropping real automation projects with n8n next. So follow if you want to build boards instead of doing boring tasks manually. So now we are Linux gang, automation gang, we are up.